Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to a new video based on Azion server deployment process. So today we'll be discussing about how you can deploy your HTML, CSS and JavaScript project if it has multiple HTML files. Previously, Tuhin have uploaded one video where he have shown how you can attach your style sheet, or you can say the CSS and JavaScript in your HTML file using internal JavaScript and internal CSS. Okay, using style tag and script tag. Today we will be discussing about how you can put multiple HTML pages, or you can render multiple HTML pages in your project using HTMX template, which is present in Azion's uh, like Azion's deployment process. Okay, so now so little bit about me. I am Gaurav, founder of Socify community, and I'm an IT sophomore and front-end developer. So yeah, now let's jump into the process. So now, without wasting any time about describing about the process of creating account in Azion, let's start from here. I'm assuming you know about Azion and you are signed in Azion. So now you have to create, if you have HTML, CSS and JavaScript project where you have multiple HTML files, now you have to just click on create. Let's go to the templates and from here search for HTMX. Here you can see HTMX Boilerplate. Just click here, and after that here you have to give a project name. Let's say I am giving a project name called demo 123. Okay, let's deploy it. Just wait for some seconds. uh, I'm just continuing this video after the deployment. Okay, after I think about some minutes, our project is finally live. So yeah, now after completion of whole process, there will be a message will be shown that your project is created successfully, and you can see a link is generated here. If you now click on this link, I think you will not be able to see anything, like you can see page not found. But don't worry, after some minutes it will automatically be updated with a simple hello world text. But let's not focus on that for now. Let's go to our GitHub, and here if I go to my repositories, here you can see a separate repository called demo123 is created, which is private now. You need not to worry about that all. And here the link of your website. Okay, you have successfully deployed your first project. Now here you want to make some changes, or like you want to assign those HTML and CSS and this type of files in your project, or you want to render those pages. So you need to go here main.js. I hope you can see, and just click on edit button. Okay, just click on edit button. Here you need not to see all of this till this 11th line. Just let me zoom it. This is in main.js. Okay, now from here you can see a function is there. Okay, like from 12th to 20th line there is a function. We have to replace this whole code with a code I will be giving you in our description. Okay, in the description of this video, and also in our personal WhatsApp group where you are all who are participating in Azion's this this project type of thing. So now this is a function, and I will replace it with some other function. Okay, I will replace from line number 12 till line number 47 with another thing. So let's cut it from here. Okay, now you will copy the code I will be giving you from the description. You can get it. Just simply copy it. This is the code, and paste it in line number 12. Okay, now let's go to the code and let's understand it, how you can add separate things. So this is a main function where we are passing some events and we are generating some URL, like a new object, okay, by calling this event.request.url. Okay, we are generating a new path, you can say. Yeah, so you need not to worry about that. This is the function. Okay, this is the full function. And see, this is the important part. If url.pathname is /home means, then return new response, and this function where our code will be there, I will be showing you. Let's see this /home path. Okay, /home means you have a deployment URL. Okay, this is the deployment URL, which is, I think, now it will be completely deployed. Just a second, let me refresh it. Okay, leave it. We need not to worry about that. Just slash whenever you are putting that thing. Okay, let's go here. That thing, that URL dot path name equals to /home means you are putting a /home here. Okay, it is rendering the home page. Let's go to the code. Okay, let's go to the code, and here you can say /about. Okay, what does it mean? It means in place of home you are putting /about. Okay, so this is actually defining the path after the main link. Okay, and you need to render those paths. Okay, so for that, what you can do, you can simply copy these codes. Let's say this is the code. You need not to worry about these objects and this type of things, how it is created and this all. Uh, you can just, let's say here, if home page is there, then render this function get home page. So let's go below, and here you can see HTML generators. So here generate home page, which we have called in the top generate, like this is about page, but yeah, this is home page, generate home page. Okay, we are calling this function, and you need not to worry about this type of things. Just copy and paste it. We will be understanding about it later, but for now this is the function you have created, and here similarly you are returning inside a backticks. This is a backticks open, this is closed, and inside it the whole HTML code of your like of your website. Okay, like of your home page actually. So here you have to put it. Okay, first I will suggest you, first simply create your website in VS Code, then just replace those codes here. Okay, and here you can see the path we have given like this. Whenever user is clicking on like about us button, then the path after the main link will be /about. Okay, the path whenever user is clicking on about us button, then uh, where is the deployment link? Okay, yeah, so after this main link, okay, this is the main link of your website. After this main link, the URL or the path where it will be going is about. Okay, whenever user is clicking on that button. So in that way you can replace the other things also. Similarly, there is another if statement where urls.params equals /about. Okay, and whenever we are like calling /about path, there you have to return a new response where generate about page function will be called. Okay, and you need not to focus on other things. Generate about page. Okay, let's go to the generate about a page function. Here this function is generate about page function, and we are returning this inside a backticks. There you have to put this HTML. Okay, and similarly if you want to add multiple pages, you just copy this if statements and replace it in below. Let's say I want to add another page, so just copy it and like you can just paste it here. And let's say you want another path. Okay, let's say slash contact us already there, so /team, let's say. Okay, now you have to like replace this function with generate, let's say, team page. Okay, let's say team page, generate team page. So now just copy it, or let's say just leave it from here. Now what you can do, just copy this whole thing. Okay, just copy this whole thing, copy, and you have to create a team page, right? You have to render a team page. So here this is now generate like this function is called, but you have to replace the name with that function which you are calling whenever user is like requesting in the path slash team. Okay, so the what is this function? Generate team page. Just copy it and go below where you have copied and pasted the whole function. So let's generate like just replace it with it. Okay, generate team page. Here is generate not found page. Actually this will be uh, after that, but now just for example. Okay, now here generate team page. Now just simply replace this HTML with your actual team page, like team page HTML. I'm just writing normal text, but you have to replace the whole HTML with another HTML which is about the team page. Okay, and the rest of the thing will be same. Okay, now in that way, after that, if you deploy it, then it will work fine. I will show you the deployment also. Just let me remove this unnecessary thing. I need not to use this. Just I shown you for example. Now let's go to the top and remove this. I think this team URL, right? So just a second. Just let me remove this one. This is not needed actually. Okay, I think that's fine. Oh, this function was opened here, so you have to close it also. Yeah, I think it's fine now. Yeah, we have done this. Let's recheck it from our code. Default route and this page not get. Okay. Okay, just a second. Let me completely replace it with the previous one. This will be better. Just copy it and let's go here and replace the whole function with this one. Okay, I think it's fine now. Okay, now let's say you have added the whole thing and you know how to add style tag. You need to like how to add style and JavaScript here. You need to put a script tag here, like another script tag open, and you have to put whole JavaScript here and close this script tag. Okay, a slash script. Similarly, you can put in other HTMLs. Okay, and here you can like put all the JavaScripts. Okay. Similarly, likewise here before head closing tag, here you can put a tag called style. Okay, and here put all the CSS and now close it. Okay. Okay, so that's all. So in that way you can attach CSS and JavaScript also. Let me remove it. This is unnecessary for now. Okay, now we have to deploy it, right? So just change commit. Here you have to create a new branch. Just I am creating, like clicking on this. After that, yeah, so now create pull request. It will check if there is merge conflict. No merge conflict. Merge pull request, confirm merge. Okay, now you can like delete this branch from here, and let's go to our repository. Okay, so now let's click on this link, your website's link. This is now hello world, but I have shown you that our first page is in home. Okay, just click here. Just a second, I think it is taking some time for deployment. So we need to wait for some seconds for the actual deployment. After that we'll be able to see the changes in our website. Okay, if I show you as an example, so this was our website previously. I have like tried this process. Just this is a normal page, and now if I go to about page, here you can see about us. If I go to home page, you can see welcome to home page, and all links are like slash, you have to attach it with. Okay, I will be giving you the whole code. You can get the reference from there. Okay, this was our website, right? Let's try it. I think there is some problem. Let me check it, but the process will be like process remains same. Okay, let me check it. Okay, now it is working. Okay, you can see like let me go to, yeah, demo 1 2 3. Now let's click on this link. Here you can see the in slash path we have set it this page not found page. Okay, if I go to the code, you can see here, just a second. Yeah, so this is default route. Okay, we are actually setting up the routes. New response, and here no if statement, just returning this generate not found function. If there is no path name, okay, like there is normal, the deployment path is there. If this is like that, then slash like this not found page will be rendered. If the path is slash home, then the home route will be rendered. Okay, like home page your, just a second, enter. Yeah, you can see welcome to home page. If I click on this about us button, about page is working, contact us, this is working. Okay, in that way, so this is the process how you can like deploy your multi-page HTML project using Azion server, Azion servers HTMX template. Okay, so that's all. If you get like if you have any problem, if you face any problem during the deployment, let me know in the comment section as well as in the group. I'll be explaining in detail about that thing. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and happy coding.